Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing our unboxing of February's Ricky's Cult Crushes. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I wasn't running today. So as usual, the information for this box will be in the description box below if you want to know some background on it, the price and all that. As usual, there is no prices on here, so I'll list them on the screen as I go through. The first thing is from Nippies, and the perfect flirty fashion accessory for a date night or a night out with the girls. Wear them when you want to go braless and flawless, or rock a backless top. I probably won't be using these. The next is by Gerard Cosmetics. I've never used anything from Gerard Cosmetics. I don't know why. This is the Slay All Day Setting Spray. This is a 1 ounce bottle. Slay All Day was... What? Slay All Day with this one-of-a-kind cooling oil control mist. It locks in your look and increases the longevity of your makeup so you can stay flawless for hours. I have heard good things about this. I will definitely give it a try. But I have like 4 or 5 setting sprays open, so I'm gonna wait to try this. All right. Oh, good lord. Okay. The next is by Ricky's. Good lord, this is a lot of lashes. This is the Ricky Kerr Wispy Kit. Rock a different pair of eyelashes every day of the week, but they look like they're all the same. And these do have a price on them. These retail for $9.99, and you get 5 pairs of very very wispy long lashes. But that's pretty cool. I've never gotten a box with this many lashes in them. And the last thing, oh my god, looks so fun. This is the, I've heard about the brand Chi Chi, but I've never gotten anything from it. This is the OMFG eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Step out of your comfort zone with these velvety, soft, high pigmented eyeshadow colors. We'll see about that. And apparently these can be used wet or dry. Yeah, this is, I think, an Australian brand. It's very heavy, so that's fun. Now, I've actually seen like people using these, but I've never actually heard any reviews on them, so this is a first for me. Oh, this packaging though. I love anything with that kind of filigree-ish pattern going on. Very, very pretty. Oh, and that's fun because I don't actually really have, the only comparable palette I have that's similar to this is the Urban Decay, you know, that all neon palette, but they're a lot of this, I think they're all like shimmer and metallics. These actually are a few mattes, so let's give a few swatches. We have the green, purple, pink. Ooh, wow. These are, whoa, these are very pigmented. But as we know, finger swatches are not the same as brush swatch. Holy shit. I'm pretty convinced these are gonna look good even with a brush. Okay, that's exciting. And you get a actual double-ended brush in here. It's like those very plasticky kind of feeling brushes, so I probably will not use this, but I guess it's just good to have in there for the heck of it. All right, so that was it for our Ricky's NYC Cult Crushes box. This was a great box, actually. It was okay without this, but with this, like, this just pushed it over the edge. So go Ricky's. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, all the information for this box will be in the box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted to when I upload again. And thanks for hanging out with me. Bye, guys.